It is the last week in the month of May, and in this video we are going to look at the prices of the most commonly used building materials: sand, cement, stones, iron rods, and more coming up next. Alright, so we are going to begin with the prices of iron rods. And before we continue, let me know where you are watching from and how much a ton of iron rods cost in your area. So first off, we are going to start with the mild tensile iron rods. These are not high tensile, and today you can get a ton for 8,300 Ghana cedis. Now, if you wanted the individual prices, you can get 16 millimeters for 118.60, the 14 millimeters for 87.40, the 12 millimeters for 66.40, and the 10 millimeters for 40 Ghana cedis. You can also get a coil binding wire for between 70 to 80 Ghana cedis. Now, in the month of May, iron rods prices started at 7,600 Ghana cedis and ended at 8,300 Ghana cedis. And that's why I always emphasize that if you want to build, this is the best time to start building, because every week or every month, the prices of building materials increase. And the more you wait, the more the prices are going to increase, and it will become more difficult for you to build. Now, with that said, let's move into the prices of cement. The good news, however, is that we started the month of May with cement at 110 Ghana cedis, and today it is at 98 Ghana cedis for Gasem, Dangote, and Jata for the 42.5 R grade. Now, if you wanted the 32.5 R, you can get it at 88 Ghana cedis for Gasem. However, there are certain cheaper alternatives that you can use. You can get Sima 42.5 R for 95 cedis and the 32.5 R for 85 Ghana cedis. Let me know how much you purchase your bag of cement for. Let me know how is the price of cement affecting your building project. Where are you building at? Share your experiences in the comments below. Next, let's look at the price of home charm paint. Now, home charm paint is selling between 320 to 350 Ghana cedis, which has been relatively stable throughout the month of May. However, if you wanted nails have moved from about 90 Ghana cedis to 100 and then 110 Ghana cedis for 3 inches and 4 inches nails. Now, this is a good time for me to mention that we check the prices of materials in the Ghana East Municipality of the Greater Accra region of Ghana, right? So typically between Achimota, Kwabenya, Hacho, Ashaman Estates areas, Pokwasi areas, that's where we check for. So the prices may differ slightly for you. That's why we need you to inform us where you purchase your materials at and how much they cost, so that everybody who is watching can also learn and make an informed decision. Now, if you wanted sand and stones, a trip of sand is selling between 1,800 to 3,500 Ghana cedis, depending on the cubic capacity of the truck which is going to deliver the sand or stones, and how far away it is from your building project, and where they are going to fetch the sand or stones. Now, let's talk about wood, right? So today the Wawa boards are selling from 120 to 190 Ghana cedis, and if you wanted 2x2, you can get it between 35 to 45 Ghana cedis, 2x4 between 55 and 65 cedis, and the 2x6 between 80 to 120 Ghana cedis. Again, let us know how much you purchase your wood for. Finally, we are going to end with blocks. Now, you can get 6 inches solid blocks for 7.40 Ghana cedis, the 5 inches solid at 7.20, the 6 inches hollow for 6.70, and the 5 inches hollow for 6.40 Ghana cedis. Now, you may be thinking, well, the prices of building materials are so high. How are you going to build? Well, we did this detailed video where we break down everything you need to get started and how you can build with just 2,000 cedis every month. So click on this link and we'll see you in that video. Thanks, baby.